mission today is the mirrors. I put some oil in there to help it spin a bit better.
This was made with human intelligence.
And artificial intelligence.
Threads were a bit dirty, so I cleaned them off. Okay, that's both of the mirrors on. There we are.
Hitting the Las Vegas Strip with your fingertips. And the warmest welcome of all, play 10 pounds.
G-clamp, working a treat, winding back that. Couldn't budge these. I did have an issue with one of these bolts on the top to get that off, and this was the state of the bolt. So I had to work my magic and get something in there. So progress update is I've cleaned all of this inside. It does look like it'll probably benefit from new pistons because those old ones are a bit naff, I suppose, but took all of this off, cleaned it all down, and was able to push the pistons back, which then allowed me to put the brake pads obviously back in, bolted it all back up, connected all this back up, and then yeah, now the brake's working, front brake's working. Obviously I was looking at buying a new caliper, but then I started looking into servicing, and that seems to have done it for now.
Pump the brakes, baby, we're moving too fast, and I want you to wait.